Hey guys, happy Sunday. This is Countman from Trade for Freedom. So this week, today we're going to do a review of some of the stocks heading into the new week. And the first stock that we like to have a look at is SPY. Okay, let me remove all of this, okay? So as you know, SPY was continuously going up for since the beginning of April, okay? And now it's made a dip. So it made a dip and it grabbed liquidity at a gap here. You can see a gap. And if you go to the weekly chart, you can see a fair value gap over here. All right, a fair value gap. So you grab the liquidity and now price is headed back up. And if you go to the 12 hours chart, you can see a very nice 3 candle reversal pattern, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So if you know Japanese candlesticks, you know this is a very strong reversal pattern, and this is on the 12-hour chart. So having said that, where is price likely to go from here? Okay. I can safely say price is heading towards the upside. Okay. And let me give you a place, an indication of where price is expected to go. Okay. So the door is open. I'm using Fibonacci extension ratios right now. So the door is open and we're expecting price to go up to about 751, 752. I think this would be the area that SPY will head up into this coming week. And depending on how price reacts around this zone, which is 1.618 and 1.88 Fibonacci ratios, most likely, okay, so 70% chance it will go up, okay, and 30% chance it will come down. And once it heads up, then the two likely scenarios, one is going to reject and come back all the way down. Two, it's going to break above 1.88, and then we're expecting price to head towards the next cycle, which is the 2.618 cycle. We are targeting 770. All right, so this week, let's see in the next couple of days, we're expecting price to go up to about 751, 752. If it breaks above 756, 757, we're expecting price to head up to 770. If it rejects, then I'm expecting SPY to go on a sideways movement for time being. All right, it's very straightforward. This coming week, I'm expecting Monday, Tuesday, a bull market. So hopefully it's bull and you get an opportunity to ride and get some profits from 740 to 751, 752 for SPY. Okay, next up, let's have a look at IREN. Okay, IREN, if you can see, it's one of our favorite stocks, especially for the wheel strategy. So we have a channel on the way up, and now there's a channel on the way down, which went towards the extreme side of the bottom of the bullish channel, and now he has broken the bearish channel, is heading towards the upside. So technically, we're looking for IREN to head up towards the top part of the channel. Okay. And if you want to know exactly where, I can also use the ratios like what I did just now. So for the ratios for this, we are looking at Fibonacci ratios. Okay. So we're looking for price to head up towards 66.5 to about 69. Okay, this is the first market cycle. Price is going to head up. Most likely it's going to head up like 70, 80% of the time this coming week. And let's see how price reacts here. If it breaks above 1.88 ratio, then we're expecting price to head up towards the upper part of the channel, which is about $77. Okay. If it rejects, then most likely it's going to come back down and we'll see what happens after that. But ultimately, IREN is looking bullish for the next couple of days to maybe 1 or 2 weeks. We're expecting IREN to head up and test 73. But these are the two cycles. So this is the first cycle and second cycle. So we're looking for at least the closest area, which is 1618 and 6650. Okay, that's for IREN. Next, we've got Tesla. Okay, let's have a look at Tesla. Okay, Tesla, we've already covered this, on a weekly chart. We have got a cup and handle. There's a bearish channel. It broke out a bearish channel, came back and test the left shoulder over here, is rejecting very nicely. So now you can see a bearish channel on the way down, but then it's rejecting again a three candle pattern. Okay, this bearish candle, then we've got like a small little dodgy / hanging candle, and then it's a bullish candle. So we are expecting price to head towards the upside for Tesla the coming week. And where would we say it will reach on a shorter time frame? We are expecting price to at least go up to 412 around this area. Okay. So we're expecting price to go up to 412, and then let's see what happens here. So price might reject and come down, or price might break 1.8 and they start to go up to the next cycle would be 432. So these are the two areas to look out. But the first most important thing is what happens here between 412 to 416. Okay, does Tesla have any strength, any momentum to break past this? If yes, this is the second market cycle, and then this is the 423.6. This will be the end of the market cycle. Okay, so let's see where Tesla is headed this coming week. Next, we've got PayPal. Okay, let me see PayPal on the bigger picture. Okay, PayPal started off very strong. Okay, 1, 2, A, B, 1, 2, A, B, C. Okay, so it expanded really quickly. Then the minute this double top happened, and that's the beginning of the end for PayPal. Okay, so it dropped massively, parabolically. So everybody let go of their shares, and everybody started losing interest on PayPal. And now PayPal is still on the way down. Okay, so it's got like a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So we're still expecting PayPal to drop even further down. So let's zoom in a bit and see where PayPal is headed. Okay, let me go to the daily chart. Maybe the weekly is okay. So weekly chart is like this. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we've got a door open. So we're expecting PayPal to go down, and this is the first market cycle around $39. Okay, got to see what happens. If there's a reversal, then it's got a chance to climb back up. If it breaks below 36.95, then we're expecting price to go down and test the 31 mark. All right, so PayPal it's quite bearish. So if you guys want to pick up the stock, I would suggest maybe you can wait for a while and see what happens. Okay. Next, let's have a look at. Okay, I think everybody was looking into this stock. This was probably the stock of the week heading into last week, which is SpaceX. Okay, there's only because it launched on Friday, but still with the price action, we're able to tell what's happening within the stock using the harmonic Elliott wave. Okay, guys, come let's have a look. You're going to go into the 1 minute chart. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, we can actually go to the 5 minutes chart. Okay, this is a classic wave 1 pattern. Okay, so you have an ABC of wave 1 completed. Okay, and then you have a pullback. Okay, pullback towards the downside. So this is roughly about a 76.4, 78.6 retracement ratio from the bottom to the top. Okay, if I were to put in my ratios, it would probably land around, let me see, 0.786. Oh, did not land there. Okay, that means it landed about 61.8. 0.618. Yes, okay. So it's rejecting 0.618, which is the 160 mark. And now price is starting to head towards the upside. So two possible scenarios for SpaceX, because only wave 1 is confirmed, so it's a bit difficult to tell. But we are expecting a price to go towards the upside, okay, and test the new high, the latest high, which is 176.54. But before it will do that, there are two ways that SpaceX can go up, okay. Number one, it can, if this is the end of the retracement, which is the ABC correction, so this is wave 1, okay, so technically this is wave 1, then retracement into wave, sorry. So then this will be wave 2, then we're expecting price to hit towards the upside for wave 3. If this is not wave 2, then what can happen is this might be wave 1, okay, sorry, wave A, then probably wave B and wave C, which comes in for a deeper correction to complete wave 2. So if any of these scenarios happen, then we know that SpaceX, at least for now, is a bullish stock. If it trades below 150, then it's not a good news for SpaceX, okay? So ultimately, we look for price to head up and test the high on Friday, and we'll see how this stock trades this coming week. Very interesting, but so far it's okay. So far it's not bad. So next we have a look at hood. Okay. So let's have a look at hood and see where hood is going. So hood has formed, okay, it rejected the bottom of the AB zone. Okay, this is a solid zone, solid demand, as I mentioned this before already. So this is the solid demand zone. This like literally the best area to pick up stocks for the long run. And it rejected with the head and shoulders pattern. Okay, left shoulder neckline, head break of neckline, test made form the right shoulder, it started to go up. And on the way up, there's a head and what do you call it? There's a cup and handle pattern. Okay, so we are expecting price to head towards the upside for Robinhood, okay, this coming week. Where exactly would it go? Okay, let's have a look and see if we can scroll down a bit more and see where we can find the price will go. Okay, let me remove this for now. It's cluttering the place. Okay, let me move all of this. Okay, for now, we are expecting price to climb up. So exactly where it would climb, this is the door that's open. So market cycle says that's if hood should start going up to at least 107. That's the first market cycle, okay? And we have to see how price reacts here. If it breaks past 115, then we're expecting price to head up towards 135 area. So this coming week, I would expect hood to start pushing up as well. Okay, so guys, watch out for hood. I'm also watching on this stock. There's any opportunities to get in on a scalp or a swing, or you guys want to pick up long term, yeah, it's not a bad timing. It's actually a pretty good timing. Plus, you have a cup and a handle pattern that is expecting to break out of this. So I would expect price to head up towards 107 this coming week for hood. Next, let's have a look at NVDA. Okay, NVIDIA, as I mentioned, is a bit of a tricky stock. Okay, mainly because of all the price levels. The price levels, the gaps are quite fast. So, example, you have a resistance become support. It bounced off here at about 210, went up, did not sustain, it came back down. So this is the next level of interest, which is between 195 to about 197, 198. And if it breaks past this, then the next area of interest or support is at the bottom here, which is quite far away, okay? Which is about 170 area, 170 to 175. So NVIDIA is at this state where it's still deciding. The supports are still holding. Ultimately, it's still bullish. Okay. The critical zone is it's a 197 mark. If it breaks below this, we're expecting price to drop down to about 170. If this area holds, we're expecting price to bounce up. This is NVIDIA in a nutshell, okay, guys? Okay, last but not least, let's have a look at ADBE, Adobe. Okay, let's see in the bigger picture. Okay, Adobe started off really strong, really strong. Okay, you have a wave 1, wave 2. Okay, then you have an A, B, to A, B, C, 3. Okay, then it made a deep correction 4, and now it's trading below the AB area, which is not a good sign, okay? So, however, we can just classify this as wave 1, okay? Because you have 1, 2, wave 3, 4, and 5, or wave 3, 4, and extended 5. And now we're looking for price to come down to make a wave 2 completion, which is using the normal Elliott wave. This is a zigzag pattern or a flat pattern, okay? I think it's zigzag, okay? So we are expecting price to reject around the 200 mark, which is exactly where it is right now, okay? So we're expecting price to reject around this area and start to head towards the upside. If it continues going down, then it's a bit concerning for Adobe, okay? Technically, it should start finding its bottom right now and to start to head up towards the upside. Let me see if I can find exactly where the price would stop at. Okay, that's not a good thing because the door is open a bit far and you can see that price. Let me see. Yeah, it's breaking down. Okay, let me check this one instead. Okay, on the Fibonacci extension ratios, Adobe is not looking too great, okay? It's expected to go further down. Having said that, it needs to start picking up right now. If Adobe doesn't start picking up right now, then I think it's just going to continue plumbing down. Okay, so that's Adobe for you. It's quite sad in the way they started off really, really strong, and I think it matured at the November 2021. Then after that, it's struggling right now. I think when AI and all came about, I think people started losing interest. Okay, and then they moved on to all the other tech stocks instead. So I think Adobe is suffering because of that as well. So we shall see what happens to Adobe in the next coming months. Okay, guys, the next coming week is really interesting. Okay, we're expecting it to be a bullish market. That's what we're expecting. Okay, so let's see how that goes. At the same time, this is our website. Okay, tradeforfreedom.co. I think hopefully you guys have been here before. We have a dashboard. We are constantly upgrading our dashboards. You can see now we have all the details of S&P 500. Okay, my watch list. Okay, you can create your own watch list. Okay, you can add categories to it. Upcoming events, we have all the news that's upcoming, the important news that will drive the price to either go up or go down, all the upcoming events. And also we have a sector heat map. So example, if technology is doing well, it's up 4.63% overall. If you can click on it, and then it will show you the top holdings with today's performance. So that will actually give you indication like, what are the top 10 stocks that's doing, how much is it going up? Is it all the stocks that are going up or just a few of them? So yeah, I mean, the dashboard, create account is free. So create an account. At the same time, you have your own watch list, is live updated data. Join our Discord channel, please. And also, if you like what you see, join us, upgrade yourself to VIP. It's only for $9.90. We give you a lot of value inside the channel as well on Discord. So good luck to you guys. Happy trading week. We'll see you tomorrow live on Zoom if you were to join us. And I think on a daily basis, except for the weekends, maybe we are constantly doing YouTube videos of some of the stocks that we like to review. So if you have any requests on what stocks you would like us to review, drop a message to us in the Discord channel and we'll do them for you. Right? Thank you guys. See you, man.